Hello everyone. Welcome today. Today the additional with extra Sudokus. We have here 5 extra Sudokus. A Sudoku with a 1 star, a 2 stars, a 4 stars, a tectonic, and a binary. In today's additional of today's newspaper, Wednesday, August the 5th, 2020. The first one is number 1289. I have already written down. But I have not counted the printed numbers. So let me count the printed numbers. 1, 2, 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 3 is equal to 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 3 is equal to 18, 18, 20, 21, plus 3 is 24, plus 3 is 27. Yes, 27 digits. Printed digits. So let's get started. Let me see. I see here in this column 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and 7 is missing. Let me mark this for you so it's easier to follow for you. It's a pair. How about the number? In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. Here also a 3, so no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then 3 in this row. 3 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column? The 1 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 8 is, no, the 8 we have, the 9 is missing. We see here the 1 and the 6, so no 1 and the 6 in this box. The 1 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes. We see here already a 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there, 1 digit left in this column for the number 9. And then 4 missing numbers. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. In this big square we have the 4 and the 9, so no 4 and the 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here already a 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. The other 2 numbers are the 7 and the 5. We see here already a 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then, let me see. 3 missing numbers in this row, the third row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The other 2 numbers in this row are for the numbers 9 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet, but let me mark them for you. It's easier to follow. It's a pair. This is also a pair in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 3, we have 5 and 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 5 goes and there. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number? The number 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. No. We already have a 5 here. The 7. 7 is the missing number. 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. These 2 boxes are left for the numbers 1 and 9. I cannot. Oh yeah, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here, over there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And then 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 here. Oh, there we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are not used. I need an 8 here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 8 here. Oh, there we see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes, now I can write the 8 there. How about the number? These 2 numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 and 7 are left in this row. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. 2, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Now I have a 9 here, so this box cannot be a 9 anymore. This box should be the 9, and this should be the 6. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. How about the 6? 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see, yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 1. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here already we have 5, so no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Alright, and now, one number left in the first column for the number 3. 3 in this row, last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. I cannot fill this yet, 1 and 7. But in this column, 1 number left should be the 1. Now I can fill this in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 7, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second one, a 2-star Sudoku. See you. Bye bye for now.